Digitalization for me transforms a business. It transforms the basis of competition, it changes the dynamic and the relationship with the customer, it allows innovation, and it provides an explosion in the amount of data that you suddenly acquire from your customers. And all of these things are going to change our market. It also allows you to remove customer pain points, the things that customers don't like, and I think we've seen a few interesting disruptors in the market. I think some of them are talking later today. They've effectively just doing a good job at removing a pain point for a customer. And we know already that the moments that customers are sort of deciding on which car is best, is it right for me, can I afford it? Most of these moments are already happening online. 80% of the journey today is online. So the physical transaction might still be largely offline, but most of the purchase funnel is online. So we think about this really as a sort of sonnet of possible future worlds. And I just wanted to share with you how we're starting to think about it. So, you've got a kind of traditional existing dealer model across there, and you've got existing players and new players up the top. So it's a little bit of a simple four-box model. But I think we're going to see evolution. In fact, we are seeing evolution. You've got some major motor dealer groups, like the Car Supermarket. You've got Auto Trader. You've got Zuto offering a completely online car finance buying process, are digitizing their services and are already quite significantly sort of there. You've then got some of the newer entrants. I think Rocco and Carwow are featuring with us today, so I won't tell their story. But again, a really interesting alternate way of thinking about the dealer model. And again, I think dealing and disrupting the market. And then over on the right, you've got some slightly more different models that are less centric to the current dealer model. You've got OEMs going direct. Everybody sort of seems to be testing it or trying it. Some are doing it already. And then you've got this brand new world, which could be completely different. What if Amazon starts selling cars? You've seen the development of Amazon in the US. I'll be interested to hear later how that's going. But you've got some big, effectively logistics experts with massive brands online that could transform the way customers could end up buying cars. I think all of them will play a role in our market. I think that's the point. And so how do you kind of get yourself ready for that? As a lender, this is the way I think about it. The key for me and the focus is to have the right technology platforms, so I can deal with every single one of those if I needed to. Open API technologies allow you to plug and play any part of your sales process and fundamentally change it as well, because it's no surprise, I'm sure, that when you design an online car and car finance buying journey, it's not the same as the physical one. You have to think about it quite differently. So having the ability to change the journey, fully complete online purchasing, even doing identity and verification online without ever meeting the customer. And also engaging the process with things that actually engage customers. Digital video is key on that. Self-help, web chat, all of those things. So integrating a full process that is designed for online. And then in life and end, all of these services you can start to digitize and take online as a lender. Customers can be put in much more control. They can self-serve many of the features of their product. You can also, support that whole retention cycle, and you can even go to renewal online as well. Digital will transform. It will improve everything about our models, our commercial relationships, our customer relationships. It will change the operating models of our businesses, and it will change the customer experience.